Hi, this is Sean Doyle, and welcome to my Motivational Minute for you today. Now, how can we get and stay motivated? Well, one way of getting and staying motivated is to learn from the past. Winston Churchill once said, "Those who fail to learn from history are condemned to repeat it." So that's a pretty motivating thought that you can actually learn from your past history, but also from others. So how do we do that? Number one, sit down and look at your past. Analyze what did you do well and what do you need to do differently. Number two, find a mentor who's already done what you want to do and ask them. For example, there's a great organization called SCORE, and they're in every city in America. And what you can do if you're starting a business is sit down with some seasoned executives who have done what you want to do, great mentors. Number three, you can have a virtual mentor. Now, what is that? What means you could read or study about someone else who's done it. It could be a book, could be an article, could be a podcast, but you can emulate them. So if you want to get and stay motivated, it's very simple. Just learn from the past.